Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Filipino recruiter. I receive your biodata from Philanco Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I understand English, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
I have no family members, ma'am,
Are you
in Malaysia.
sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't tell me later that you have sister or brother working here, okay?
Okay.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am. I have no ano,
Okay. If
any.
you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time. Yeah?
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
Our
ma'am.
interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Okay, ma'am. I agree, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. This is my first time, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Uh, I choose Malaysia because that just like in the Philippines, like open country, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay. I'm Ana May Sendon Laganso. I'm 27 years old. I'm married. I have three kids, one boy, two girls. I'm from Oriental Mindoro.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first. When is your birthday?
What, ma'am? Can you
When
repeat,
is your
ma'am?
birthday?
My birthday is August 24, 1998.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'2". My weight is 48 kilo.
What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I'm a high school graduate, ma'am.
You mentioned that you got three kids and you are married. How old are those children?
My eldest is 8 years old. The second is 3 years old. And my youngest is 2 years old.
Is your husband allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is 39 years old. And she's a construction worker, ma'am.
Okay. So who will going to take care of your children later? They are still young and you will be working for quite far away in the Philippines. So as of this is your first time working abroad, so who will going to take care of them?
My husband and my mother, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother is 42 years old and she's a housewife, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
Yes, ma'am, in Manila, ma'am.
Okay. How many years you work there?
2 years, ma'am.
2 years. What year did you started and what year did you finish?
22 to 23.
2022 to 2023.
Yes,
Huh?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you work there for 1 year. What is your job responsibilities?
My responsibilities in their house is cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing, like that, ma'am.
Did you take care any children or elderly inside the house?
Children, ma'am.
How old are those
I have
children you take care?
6 years old, 9, and 14 years old.
What happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer? Why is it 1 year only?
I'm going back to my province, ma'am.
Okay. After 2023, do you have any working experience?
Yes, ma'am, in water station staff, ma'am.
Water station staff. Okay. What year
Yes,
is
ma'am.
it?
Like last year lang, ma'am.
How many years?
24.
Okay. What year did you started and what year did you finish?
Uh, April to June, April 2024 to this year, ma'am, June.
Okay. So you work for 1 year lah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you know what are you up to? You were going to work as a domestic helper.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think you can finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
I will finish it. Yes, ma'am.
Because you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home if you cannot handle your job anymore or you miss your family. This is a 2 years contract. Once you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And I would like to let you know that the reality of working here in Malaysia, houses here is quite big, there is no joke. 5 bedroom, 5 bathrooms, and you need it to clean alone. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Employers here also
Okay.
is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. So are you ready for any task that the
Okay.
employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to be multitasking and you need to be flexible.
Okay, ma'am.
How will you gonna handle your homesickness later once it strikes you? What will you do if you feel homesick? If you miss your children, your family, what will you do?
I focus on my work, ma'am, and focus on like I'm busy to myself, ma'am.
You will make yourself busy.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am, but only Filipino food.
But are you willing to learn some new recipes?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing to learn, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, okay? You can hold it during
Okay.
nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. We are no go out policy here. It's either you agree or you disagree. Are you okay with our rules or rules and regulations?
It's okay, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here, okay? If you disagree, better stay in
Okay.
the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, as we don't force people to come here. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
By the way, are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am. We have dog in our house, ma'am.
Okay,
In the
always remind
province.
yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children at the same time. In Philippines, you can be the boss, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. Don't bring what you are doing in the Philippines here in Malaysia. We need to be humble ourselves. We are a foreigner here. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Okay?
Okay,
I
ma'am.
think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay? Thank you so
Okay,
much
ma'am.
and have a
Thank you.
good day. Bye.